Hello guys, remember the video that I have created about the Facebook changes on the audiences? The changes are actually here, and to be honest with you, it's even worse from what everyone was anticipating. I cannot even use the word blonde, for instance, to target blonde women. So it's a serious change actually. I didn't expect it to be that serious, but I have a small fix, at least for the next 2 months. You will be able to use some of the audiences that you were using in the past. So let's go to my computer and show you this easy solution or this easy fix. Maybe 2 months more with these valuable audiences is going to be good for your business. And don't forget that with this thing, you are going to be able to use these interests, but some people are not going to be using them, so you will have less competition in these keywords, okay, and in these interests. So let's go to my computer. Let me show you this easy fix. It's a very easy fix, but I can tell you by talking with people that most people don't know it. So this is a normal campaign that I had, and basically this is the blonde interest that I actually mentioned as an example before. We can see that here we can see the blonde interest, and I know that this interest now has been removed. But what you can do here is when you're going to create a new campaign, if you create it from here, you will not be able to see the blonde interest. But if you take this ad set here that already has it and you duplicate it in a new campaign, let's name this campaign test, okay? Now you're going to have the interest that you want to use, okay? And you can still add to this campaign new stuff, not by creating new ad sets, but by duplicating the ad sets that you want with the interest that you actually want to use, and then duplicating this interest within the new campaign that you want to create. So as you can see here, when I duplicate it in a new campaign, well, it's here, it's actually here. But if I'm going to remove it, you will see that I'm not able to actually use it anymore. Load please. Okay, we can see that I cannot use it anymore. Okay, you see that the blonde interest is not there. So a very easy fix, okay? You are having the interest in another campaign from the past, you're just duplicating it into your new campaign. You go to your ad level, you're changing the creatives that you want, and boom, there you have it. One last note, if you remember from the previous video that we have done for the audiences, the changes were active from January 19, and they are going to roll out up to March 17th. So I'm guessing that this small fix you're going to be able to use it up to the March 17th. So it's 2 months that you will be able to use it, and then most probably these interests were not going to be there even with the duplication. If they are going to be there with the duplicate option, that would be very good, because we will have an alternative and we will be able to use them. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know if this is going to be good or bad. In theory, these audiences still exist and you will be able to use them, but maybe Facebook is going to flag them and they're not going to have good results. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. I hope that it helped you. This channel is all about trying to trick Facebook and make our life easier. So it's always going to be these fixes and stuff in order to overcome the difficulties that Facebook is going to, all the obstacles that Facebook is going to put. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads and stuff, you can check my links below and stuff for my book, courses or whatever. But until we meet again, don't forget that you have to be creative and creative, and you have to be consistent.